wasting much of our time, so I'm going to show you guys how to change your cloth color on Photoshop so easy. So right now I'm going to move to a folder to drag a picture, and this is the picture. I'm going to move it right away to Photoshop right away. So put it here on the layer. Yeah. So I'm going to use this tool here. This tool that is here, which is quick selection tool. Is every Photoshop has it, so it's not that so unique tools. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to enlarge the picture. Ctrl plus to enlarge. And make sure while using this tool, don't make sure your caps lock is not on, or else you'll be seeing what you are not expecting at all. So that's that. Okay, just going to go here. All right, Control U, use Control U. Then what we for O and saturation. Oh, come in. Let me select this join. I mean, adding this to it. We add this to it. Control U now. So you control your color that you want. Let me see. Let me go for green. Okay, I'm going for green. So Control U. You can see control it. You can see that. So that's how you change your color. Then you move to image and adjustments. Go to selective color. Selective color, choose green. You increase it. Increase the maturity of the green. Then move to white. You scroll back the white. So on black, then increase the black to make it more real. So that's how you change your cloth color on Photoshop. And again, if you really want to change your cloth color back, you can as well. Let me choose blue. You want to use blue. Okay, I go for blue. Then go to image adjustments, then selective color. Click on blue. I think blue is enough. You don't need to work on blue here again. It's enough. Increase the white and click on the black and increase it. So that's how to do it. You can see now it's looking more real. So that's that today. You can see that. So if you want, thank you guys for watching my video, and I would like to see you guys on my next video. Thank you. I love you all. So if you want a picture to also look like this, then you can just wait for my video. Wait for my next video. You can see the editing looking more mature. So thank you guys. Bye. Love you.